Hey guys, so I'm just putting my hair up so it's out of the way. Now I'm just going to prime my eyes with, why did I even do that? Because my camera doesn't have focus. I'm priming my eyes with MAC's Paint Pot and Paniterly, and I'm doing that under my eyes as well. Now I'm taking this green color and I'm going to put it on a flat shader brush. I'm just going to pat that on to the, what's it called? First half of my eye. First half. Yep. Now I'm taking that blue color and I'm going to put that on the second half of my eye. Then I think I'm putting that on my other eye. Now I'm taking that purple color and I'm going to put that in my crease and in my outer corner. And yeah, this is my first voiceover, so it's kind of weird. I don't really understand. Now I'm taking the same blue color that I did on my lid and I'm putting it under my waterline, under my eye. Now I'm taking that white matte color and putting that as a highlight under my brow bone, and then I'm going to, what am I going to do? Let's see. Put that in my inner corner. Now I'm taking a gel eyeliner and I'm just going to water my, really close, not water, line my eyes. And I'm lining really close to my lashes, and I'm going to do my tight line and my water line. And yep, that's just what I'm doing. Now I'm curling my lashes with that, and then I'm going to put mascara on. And okay, so I lost some of my footage and I can't find it, but I did a hair tutorial, but since I lost it, I didn't have it, and that's what the hair looked like. So I think I'll just do a hair tutorial like in another video. And that's me being weird. Yeah, okay, bye.